mixing metals made them look disjointed. A tan belt and nude shoes. They look very cohesive. Let one piece be the statement. ये तो match ही नहीं हो रहा. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Upstyle with Shikha. I am Shikha, a certified image consultant and a personal stylist. मेरा काम है आपकी स्टाइलिंग जर्नी को easy, confident और most importantly authentic बनाना. As a personal stylist, I'm working with women from all walks of life, be it homemakers, be it professionals, be it women from creative fields, and एक common challenge हर किसी के साथ होती है और वो है confusions or myths in the styling industry. Today, we are busting 3 of the most common style myths जो हम सब ने कभी ना कभी सुने हैं, फॉलो किए हैं और शायद इसलिए हम अपने स्टाइल के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करने से डरते हैं. Let's break these so-called rules and replace them with better, more stylish truths. Make sure you watch till the end because myth number 3 is something so many of us get wrong, but it is the most empowering to overcome. Let's move on to myths now. Myth number 1. Don't mix your metals. आपने सुना होगा गोल्ड के साथ गोल्ड ही पहनो, सिल्वर के साथ सिल्वर मैच होना चाहिए. Reality, this is so outdated. Mixing metal like gold, silver and rose gold not only looks modern, it also shows that you understand how to use accessories to express your personality. Earlier, people thought mixing metals made them look disjointed, but today, fashion is all about personalization. और जब आप metals को mix करते हो, तो आपका look ज़्यादा thoughtfully style लगता है. Here is how to do it right. First, layer dainty necklaces in different finishes, like gold plus silver. It is stunning. Choose a watch that already has a mixed metal tones, gold dial or silver strap or something like this, which already has gold and silver mixed. And remember, one metal can be your hero and the other can play a supporting role. Style का मतलब rules follow करना नहीं है, अपना expression दिखाना है. Breaking this rule opens up so many more options in your jewelry drawer. Do try it and let me know in the comment box below. Moving on to myth number 2. Match your footwear, belt and bag. I think most of the people say your shoes, your belt and your bag must always match. But ये rule कब का गया? But many still believe like it's a holy grail. The truth is, exact matching can sometimes make you feel dated or overly coordinate. If your brown belt, brown shoes and brown bag all are exactly the same shade, that is too much predictable. Now what to do instead? Focus on matching tones, not exact colors. Example, a tan belt and nude shoes. They look very cohesive. And let one piece be the statement. A bold colored bag or printed shoes. Create visual interest with textures, like a smooth leather belt plus suede heels. Now, coordination ज़रूरी है, matching नहीं. Fashion should feel natural, not forced. A balanced look is more about harmony than uniformity. And one secret tip, use one element like your shoes to add contrast and personality, especially if the rest of your outfit is neutral. And last, but one of the most important myth number 3. You need to be a certain size or body shape to look stylish. This one is most damaging और सबसे common भी. लोग सोचते हैं कि जब तक वो एक certain size या weight या body type के नहीं हो जाते, उनका stylish दिखना possible ही नहीं है. But that is so far from the truth. Style is not about size, it's about fit, proportion and confidence. मुझे अपने काम में ये बार-बार देखने को मिलता है. जब women understand their body shapes, उनके लिए सही silhouette पहनते हैं और अपने comfort के हिसाब से dress करते हैं, उनका पूरा outlook change हो जाता है and they feel so much more confident. So what to focus on? Now, instead of fixating on that I can't look stylish because of any reason, know your body shape. It's very important. Whether you are a triangle, an inverted triangle, a rectangle, an hourglass, or a combination body shape, choose fits that flatter your body shape, not the ones that hide or shrink you. Also, use structure like tailoring, layers, and accessories to create balance. Styling is not about shrinking yourself, it's about celebrating who you are. So next time someone says, ये तो मैच ही नहीं हो रहा, या गोल्ड और सिल्वर एक साथ मत पहनो, या स्टाइलिश दिखने के लिए साइज 0 होना जरूरी है, just smile and move on because now you know better. ब्रेक द रूल्स दैट डू नॉट सर्व यू और अपना एक यूनिक कॉन्फिडेंट लुक ओन करो। इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, गिव इट अ थम्स अप एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल अपस्टाइल विद शिखा। और मुझे नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ कि आप क्या स्टाइलिंग क्वेरीज है या कंफ्यूजन है जो आप फेस करते हो। अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी किसी फ्रेंड को ये सुनना चाहिए, send her this video. Let's help more and more women feel confident and stylish, one myth at a time. And also follow me on Instagram, Upstyle with Shikha, for daily style tips, outfit ideas, and styling stories. Till then, see you in my next video. And remember, style should empower you, not limit you. Bye bye.